Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let me go to the photo, and before we'll start, let me quickly set the grid lines. It does not really matter which one. However, I just want to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically this special type of a grid line should disappear after resetting the camera settings. So to do that, we have to unroll this kind of a top bar. So just swipe your finger from the top to the bottom. And now we have to enter the settings, which are right here in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. As you could probably saw, the camera settings flashed a little bit, so let's go back. And as you can see, we do not have the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.